beautiful fences made of natural stone. The perfect outdoor decor for your home. When it comes to outdoor decor and landscaping, one element that can truly elevate the aesthetics of your space is a beautiful fence made of natural stone. Not only does it add a touch of elegance and charm, but it also serves as a functional barrier, enhancing the overall security and privacy of your home. In this article, we will explore the world of stone craftsmanship, discussing the various aspects of stone fences and how they can inspire your backyard. The artistry of stone craftsmanship. Stone fences are a testament to the exquisite artistry and skill of stone craftsmen. These talented individuals transform raw natural stone into stunning works of art. Each stone is meticulously hand-picked, cut, and shaped to create unique designs that are both visually appealing and structurally sound. The craftsmanship involved in creating these fences is truly awe-inspiring. Aesthetics and design. One of the most captivating aspects of stone fences is their beautiful design. The natural variations in color, texture, and shape of the stones create an enchanting visual appeal. Whether you prefer rustic, old-world charm or a sleek, modern look, there is a stone fence designed to suit every taste. From stacked stone walls to intricate patterns, the possibilities are endless. These fences effortlessly blend with the surrounding landscape, harmonizing with your garden features and exterior design. Durability and longevity. Stone fences are renowned for their durability and longevity. Unlike traditional wooden or metal fences that may deteriorate over time, stone fences stand the test of time. They are resistant to weather elements, pests, and rot, ensuring that your investment lasts for years to come. Additionally, stone fences require minimal maintenance, making them an ideal choice for homeowners seeking a long-term and cost-effective solution. Versatility in application. Stone fences offer endless possibilities when it comes to application. Whether you are looking to enclose your entire property or create a small garden boundary, stone fences can be customized to suit your specific needs. With the right design and placement, they can also serve as retaining walls, providing structural support while adding an aesthetic appeal to your landscape. The versatility of stone fences allows for seamless integration into any outdoor space. Backyard inspiration. If you're seeking inspiration to transform your backyard, look no further than stone fences. They serve as a focal point, creating a sense of depth and dimension to your outdoor space. Imagine a charming garden oasis, with a stone fence adorned with climbing plants and flowers, providing a picturesque backdrop for your gatherings and relaxation. Let the beauty of stone fences inspire you to create your very own outdoor haven. These fences not only enhance the security and privacy of your home but also elevate the overall aesthetics of your outdoor space. With their exquisite craftsmanship and captivating designs, stone fences are an investment that will continue to inspire and delight for years to come. So, why settle for ordinary when you can embrace the extraordinary with a stunning stone fence? Let your imagination run wild and embark on a journey of home improvement that will transform your exterior into a work of art. In this article, we will explore the captivating world of beautiful fences made of natural stone. From elegant stone craftsmanship to breathtaking garden features, we will dive into the realm of home improvement and exterior design. So, grab a cozy seat and let's embark on this inspiring journey to transform your backyard into a true oasis. The timeless elegance of stone fences. When it comes to enhancing your outdoor space, few things can match the allure of stone fences. These majestic structures not only provide privacy and security but also exude a sense of timeless charm. The natural beauty of stone effortlessly complements any landscape, creating a stunning visual anchor for your garden. Unleashing creativity with beautiful designs. With stone fences, the possibilities for unique and beautiful designs are truly endless. Whether you prefer a rustic look or a more modern approach, natural stone allows you to create fences that seamlessly blend with your overall aesthetic. Incorporate intricate patterns, arches, or even custom carvings to add an extra touch of personality to your outdoor haven. Garden features that leave a lasting impression. Stone fences offer more than just privacy, they can become eye-catching garden features themselves. By strategically placing climbing plants or cascading flowers along the fence, you can transform it into a living backdrop for your garden. Imagine vibrant roses intertwining with the natural stone, creating a picturesque and romantic atmosphere. Stone craftsmanship, a testament to artistry. One of the most remarkable aspects of stone fences is the craftsmanship involved in their creation. Skilled stonemasons transform raw materials into exquisite masterpieces, showcasing their dedication to their craft. The sheer artistry behind each stone fence elevates it from a mere barrier to a work of art that enhances the overall beauty of your outdoor space. Backyard inspiration, stone walls. If you're looking for inspiration beyond traditional fences, consider incorporating stone walls into your backyard. These versatile structures not only provide privacy but also serve as an architectural element that defines different zones within your outdoor oasis. Whether used to create seating areas, raised garden beds, or as a backdrop for water features, stone walls add depth and character to your landscape. As we conclude our exploration of beautiful fences made of natural stone, we hope you feel inspired to embark on your outdoor improvement journey. The allure of stone craftsmanship, the versatility of stone fences, and the captivating charm they add to your garden are all reasons to consider incorporating this stunning feature in your exterior design. Let your imagination run wild, and transform your backyard into a breathtaking oasis that will leave your guests in awe.